You heard that? With it, I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass shaking in the club, babe, all I need is you. Tryna distance my life from these drugs, but shit, I need them too. With it, I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass.
Oh, there was a spider on my. Is that a spider on your? Yes, yes. Oh. It sounds like is that a helicopter? What the freak is that? Everywhere we go, we gotta do.
So starving.
I've reached the point to where like my belly's like crumbling, and I need it. I need it. Okay. Guess who's here?
Hi.
Oh, she's speaking today. Crazy. What is up, you guys? It is your boy TAXIPNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Thank you guys for everybody who watched part 1. We're moving on into part 2. So we just got rid of the frame, and we're gonna just like kind of shoot with the sunlight. So I have the sunlight kind of facing this way. I'm gonna probably use this. So I'm kind of looking right now, trying to see like if I should, because I'm trying to see how it looks right now on this side. I'm using the X3S. S is for Sony, it's the Godox X3, the transmitter, the new one that they just got coming out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm just trying to see like how's it looking. If I were to like get rid of, and I were to just do just her face, there we go. Oh, this natural sunlight is actually kind of like hitting. Let me see. Yeah, there we go, let me see. Go up on the F a little bit, you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go with the natural sunlight. So I'm gonna like let go of my flashing and just shoot with the regular natural sunlight. Move this out of the way. All right, let me see. So today we're shooting with natural light. I'm using my H&Y filter. This is the Evo Mist Black. So it's the black mist filter that they have. It's a little bit like, they add like little misty specks when you're shooting. So yeah, it kind of, and it also creates like a sun rays, like when you have like the light coming in it. So it adds a mist effect. If there's mist in the area, but there's not currently. So yeah, we're shooting with K once again. Per usual. Hold it, let me see. Oh, this is actually really cute. Yeah, there we go. Hold it, look at me. Yep, hold it. There we go. Yes, there we go. There we go. There we go. So with this, guys, I love to like get that low angle. So like that low shoot from down shooting up, because it I don't know, it just adds that like to it. You see a lot more tree, you don't see floor. So I love to see like subject and then nothing but like tree. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to show any floor in my shot. So with that being said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip my viewfinder. I'm gonna go ahead and catch some low angles. I want you to, yeah, just like that. That's kind of cute. That's kind of cute. That's kind of cute like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Yep. There we go. Tilt your head up a little bit. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. There we go. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Lean forward a little bit more. Oh, what should happen? What the fuck?
I felt an itch on my face.
Lean forward a little bit, bro. There we go. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. There we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yes. So this filter adds a little bit of like a dreamy feel to it, you guys. Like, yeah, there we go. So like, yep, hand, face, neck. Yep, there we go. Looking at me. Yep. Hold it, hold it, hold it. One more. Maybe full body, you guys. I'm gonna back up, get some compression. Yep. Both hands to the hair. Yep. And then just like lean into it. There you go.
Crisscross still?
Yeah, crisscross still.
Crisscross applesauce.
Lean, pop. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yeah, so like I'm going for like I look, you feel like a dreamy vibe when I'm looking at these. Hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Yes, that low shot. Like you guys will see what I'm talking about when I say like get close and get that low shot. Yeah, like that. There we go. Hold it, hold it. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Get all different angles, you guys. Get ups to downs. There we go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yep. There we go. Yes. There we go. Hold it. Get full bodies. There we go, yep. Leave the crisscross. Bring that foot in a little bit more. Yeah, like that. There we go. Yep, and then leaning forward into it. Yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There we go. Yes. Because we're playing with like the light. Like the light is like leaking right now, you guys. And I'm like getting all of that. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. And then like kind of like one arm, like this. Yeah, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There we go. Like that. Yep. Yes. There we go. Yes. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Tilt your head like back a little bit. Right there, yep. There you go, hold it. Yes. There you go, hold it, hold it, hold it. Switching it up, you guys, because it just got a little bit darker out here. Hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Bet. So now I just want you to I want you to turn. I want you to sit like normal straight. Yeah, like that, that's cute. Yeah, like that, and like, that's actually cute. Yep, there we go. Hold it right there. Let me see. 3, 2, 1, yep. There we go. Yes, there we go. Right into the camera, hold it. Now back up, get some of that compression, you guys. Eye contact. Bet. So now, yeah, I want you to like lean back with it. Both hands to the back. All right, let's see, yep, hold it, there we go. Yes, there we go. I'm gonna go like a bird's eye view, you guys. I'm gonna get up high and shoot down. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yes, there we go. Hold it. Eye contact with me, like look over right here, yep. There we go, yep, there we go, hold it. Yes. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see where I'm at? I be just choosing different spots to go to. Like every time I start putting you in the middle so they can see where I go. To the side of the tree, yep, hold it. I'm zooming all the way inside. I got that compression. F2.8, you guys. There we go, right there. ISO 320. There we go, yep. I'm gonna shoot through right here. Let me see where I can get some foreground, background, middle ground. There we go. Right here, look at me. Put both of your legs up this way. Just, yeah, there we go, like that. There we go, like that. There we go. Yep, there we go. Yes, there we go. Left hand on your left knee. Left, yep, right there. Yep, right, hang it, yep, there you go. There we go, yep, hold it, hold it, hold it. Put your right foot down. Right foot off of the side, off. Yeah, like that. Move your leg over. Right there, like that. Leave your leg on your knee. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Kind of, yep, I was about to say, yep, there we go. Just like that. Yeah, one more from right here. A low one. Look off and up. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. All right, you guys, that's it for us. Looks like it's about to start raining. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. We're gonna probably come back out here another day and probably do another shoot. I had like an idea with like one of these trees out here, but we'll see. Like, we'll see when we can do that. But yeah, so let me know if you guys like seeing videos like this. If there's more like more things that you guys want to see. Also, any ideas that you guys have, bro, let us know. Like, if you guys have any concept ideas or anything for us to, like, you know, try out and do, send it our way. You know what I'm saying? Say it in the comments or something, or DM me and let me know. You know what I'm saying? Comment in the Patreon, whatever you guys want to see. You know what I'm saying? Go check out the Patreon. I'm doing detailed breakdowns there of like my camera setup and stuff like that, and how-tos. Here is just more so the behind the scenes and vlogging, and I'm gonna do like tutorials and stuff like that on the Patreon. So let me know if you guys want to see more of this and more of Kay, and we'll keep bringing her back. So what do you want to say?
Hi.
Until next time, make sure to share this with a photographer, videographer, or a model that found any of this information is helpful. Until next time.
Taxi. Yeah.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Steve, man. Watch this, don't watch me.